What exactly is this, and am I using it correctly?
This little contraption right here is actually called a fish knife. It was created in the Victorian era around 1850 when fine dining included a soup course, a fish course, and a meat course, where each one required a different set of utensils to be used. So let me show you how to use this one. To start, place the pointy part of the fish knife under the fish skin and lift upward in an effort to remove the skin of the fish. Once you've reached the top of the fish skin, then go on and fold it over, revealing the flesh of the fish. Next, I'm going to take the fish skin, remove it from the fish, and set it to the side of my plate. Now, the two sections of meat that we have here, I'm going to place my fish knife in between to separate the two. Then we slide the fish knife underneath the flesh and gently remove the succulent fish meat there on the bone. Our goal in doing this is to remove the flesh from the bone so that the fish will be easier to eat. Once we're done with one side, we flip it over and do the other side. And then there we have it. Our delicious succulent fish is ready to eat, separated from the bone. During this time, fish knives were only used by the wealthiest of individuals as a means to impress their guest. So the next time you find one of these little contraptions in your brand new set of silverware, you'll know how to use it. I hope this helps. If so, let me know in the comments below.